Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you tap a DealSeek deal, go to Amazon, come back and find yourself back at the very top of the DealSeek feed with your scroll position completely lost? Here is the fix and what's being done about it. First, go to the App Store and update the DealSeek to the latest version. This scroll position reset bug was acknowledged directly by DealSeek's development team in their Google Play responses in June 2026 and is being actively worked on. So, staying on the newest version gives you the best chance of having it already fixed. After updating, force close the DealSeek app from your recent apps, then open it fresh, since the reset sometimes stops happening after a clear launch. In the meantime, as a workaround, use the save feature. Tap the heart icon on the any deal you want to come back to before going to Amazon. Your saved deals are accessible from your account at any time, so you can easily find where you left without scrolling through the whole feed again. So, all you've got to do is update DealSeek, save deals before leaving the app with the heart icon. The feed resets should improve with each update, and that's it. Subscribe.